guys, Judy Fine here from Online with Judy Fine. Today I'm sharing a sample exercise from a new playlist I added to the member portal recently. If you're not familiar with the Singer Athlete Online membership program, you can head over to onlinewithjudyfine.com, check out the Singer Athlete membership page, or you can reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Meanwhile, this series that I just added focuses on the sounds ooh and oh, how to sing them strongly, how to hold them out better, how to have better richness, how to use more power in your upper chest voice or your mixed voice, whatever you call it. If you find the information and the exercise helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And let's do this. Okay, so this new playlist that I just added to the member portal focuses on the sounds O and oo. Now, you may remember from other videos when I talk about diphthongs, a diphthong is when you have a sound that's created from two other vowel sounds. For example, like I is ah plus e, I. So when you're singing a diphthong, you really want to focus on the first vowel sound. So in the case of I, it would be ah, as in I, and then you add your e. This is opposed to I. Now, there are people who do that, and that's fine. That's an artistic choice, or maybe they don't even know they're doing it and they're not paying attention. I don't know. But my recommendation is that you focus on the ah in that situation. Keeps your throat more open, makes it easier to hold the note out for a long time. You get more richness and more resonance and things like that. Something similar happens with o and with oo. I'm going to focus on oo because the exercise that you're about to try uses oo. But it's the same thing with o. There's a vowel sound, and then there's a kind of W at the end. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like with the sound I, right? If you draw it out, it's I, it's ah plus e. I'm going to do the same thing with ooh right now for you. Ooh, ooh. It's very serious. Ooh, right? So there's a kind of ooh that I don't have a name for, but that's the sound, ooh. Now you can draw it out yourself and see what exactly it is for you. It might be slightly different, and that's fine. But the point is you want to focus on the vowel sound before your lips close around a W. Ooh, right? That was actually the exercise. But the idea is you focus on that vowel, and then when you get to the end of the word, the ooh sounding word, then you put the W on it. The traditional way, the way I was taught when I was young to pronounce an ooh, was to go like this with my lips, put my finger here, and I use that position. Ooh. In classical music, that position probably is still relevant, right? Because the classical sound and the classical technique doesn't really change. But in pop music, that's an old-fashioned piece of advice. I love you. Sounds weird, right? I love you. That sounds more normal. The you is more consistent to the sound of the I and the love, because those are more open sounds. I love you, not you. As you're going up in your upper chest voice or your mixed voice, whatever you call it, having that really tight cylindrical ooh is going to make it hard to stay in your chest voice or your mixed voice. So aside from sounding really different, it's actually going to force you into your head voice. And even then, it's going to make your head voice sound more classical. You, as opposed to you. So if you really want to enjoy that power zone in your upper chest voice or your mixed voice, you want the open when you're singing a U word. Also, when you have this position for your U sounding words, it's going to make it easier to hold those words out longer because your throat's more open. That's just a given. I love you. So this exercise, in part, is an opportunity to create some motor habits where when you're creating that sound, you're creating that position inside your mouth and it just becomes normal to you. In addition to just building those motor memory skills and making it easier for you to apply it to words that have the ooh sound, this exercise makes it really, really easy to go in and out of your chest voice. So it's a great way to practice that too. Go in and out of your chest voice. Don't fight it. If it flips, it's okay. If it clunks back into your chest voice sometimes, that's okay. Let yourself just get comfortable going back and forth and it will smooth out. So let's recap. Why do you want this ooh position when you're singing ooh sounding words? You want it for power, to really make the most of your upper chest voice or your mixed voice without having to go into your head voice yet, to hold out your words longer and have a nicer resonance when you do it. And this exercise will help you create the motor habits so that that becomes easy for you to do. And it's also an opportunity to practice going in and out of your And there's also an opportunity to go in and out of your head voice and chest voice. So I'm going to leave you to try the exercise. If you have any questions or comments about it, you can leave those in the comment section. You can reach out to me through onlinewithjudyfine.com. That's fine. I just want to leave you with one other thing. I recently came across a Miley Cyrus video, Midnight, what the heck is it called? Midnight Sky in the Live Lounge. It was just a few days after I'd had this ooh conversation with another student, and all of her oohs in that song are ugh. So you should check that video out and you'll see what I mean. But do the exercise first. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Okay, legato exercise on the sound ooh. This is one of the few exercises that goes all the way up to a high A. Now, you're not going to collapse on the ooh sound. It's not going to be too ooh. It's going to be more And that open ooh position in your mouth is going to help make it easier for you to get all the way to that high A. All right, big ribs, relaxed tongue, relaxed shoulders. All that is extra important for this exercise. Here's how it sounds. Try it without me. Excellent.